When a woman tests you, it might feel like she's challenging you or trying to figure out your true intentions. These tests can often be subtle and are sometimes used to gauge your character, emotional maturity, and compatibility. Here are 11 common ways a woman might test you. 1. Testing your patience. She may purposely act distant or take time to respond to texts or calls. This is a way of testing how patient you are and how much you're willing to put in the effort to communicate. 2. Checking your emotional stability. She might say or do something that triggers an emotional reaction to see how well you handle stress or challenging situations. If you stay calm and composed, it shows emotional maturity. 3. Playing hard to get. She might hold back a little to see how much you really care about her and how persistent you are when there's a bit of distance. If you continue to pursue her, it can show dedication. 4. Observing how you treat others. She may pay attention to how you treat people who can't offer you anything in return, like waitstaff, strangers, or service personnel. This helps her judge your kindness and respect toward others. 5. Making you jealous. She might flirt with other people, intentionally or not, to test your reaction and see if you're jealous. This could be a way of testing your commitment and how much she means to you. 6. Testing your generosity. She might ask for something small, like help with a task, to see if you're willing to make an effort without expecting something in return. It can be a measure of how generous or caring you are. 7. Seeing how you handle conflict. She might pick a small fight or disagreement to test how you handle conflict. Do you stay calm and try to resolve the issue, or do you argue back and show aggression? 8. Paying attention to your values. She might bring up a topic related to morality or values, e.g., politics, religion, family, to see if your beliefs align with hers. This is a way of testing long-term compatibility. 9. Testing your level of interest. She might talk about past relationships or other men to see how you react. If you show insecurity or a lack of confidence, she might think you're not fully invested. 10. Seeing how well you listen. She may talk about something personal or emotional to see if you truly listen and show empathy. How well you listen and engage in these conversations reflects your level of attention to her needs. 11. Testing your independence. She might step back or take some space to see how you handle it. Do you become overly clingy, or do you continue with your own life without stressing? This tests if you're emotionally independent and secure in the relationship. These tests aren't necessarily a sign of insecurity, but are often ways women check compatibility and determine if you're the right fit for a deeper relationship. It's important to respond with understanding, patience, and confidence when navigating these situations.